Hello and welcome to EATV. Today I'm going to look at the UFO kind of information and see what's happening. And this information is from America. Las Vegas police install cameras on home after home that reported aliens, family afraid for their safety. Las Vegas family reported a crashed UFO and told the police that they had seen 8 to 10 foot tall creatures that were 100% not human. Las Vegas police are watching the home that reported a tall, skinny alien creature with greenish colour that was about 8 to 10 foot tall in their background. A family called 911 and claimed it was a UFO that had crashed in their backyard during the overnight hours between April 30th and May 1st, and they told the emergency dispatcher that they came face to face with aliens. Since then, the Las Vegas police installed cameras on the top of their home because a family is afraid for their safety. 8-foot creatures in the backyard. A glowing green light was captured on the Las Vegas police officer's body cam at 11:50 on the 30th of April. At least 21 people reported the same thing to the American Meteor Society. After initial contact with LVMPD, the family at the residence reported they heard noises in their backyard and were afraid for their safety. And then there's another thing. The Pentagon UFO expert says aliens have crash landed on Earth and claims that the American government is hiding the bodies. Just 85 miles north of Las Vegas is a remote corner of Nevada desert that is believed by some to hold America's greatest secret. Air Force base known as Area 51, carefully controlled, and that the existence was only acknowledged nearly 60 years after it opened, has long been rumoured to be where the US government keeps not only an alien spacecraft but the strange bodies of the crew who crashed at Roswell, New Mexico, 1947. UFOs have been spotted repeatedly in the sky over Area 51. In 1989, a man named Bob Lazar claimed that he worked on an alien technology inside the airbase and that the government used the facility to examine alien spacecraft. The notion that extraterrestrials have visited Earth and given rise to many conspiracy theories, but none has proved popular as the belief that Washington knows a lot more than it's letting on. And here's a picture of 2020 video from the US Department of Defense shows interaction with unidentified aerial phenomena. And here's the Bible. I tried to look for Bible verses relating to flying objects and whatnot. Then I turned and lifted up mine eyes and looked, and behold, a flying roll. I turned and lifted up mine eyes and looked, and behold, a flying roll. And he said to me, "What seest thou?" And I answered, "I see a flying roll, length thereof 20 cubits, and the breadth thereof 10 cubits. Then he said unto me, This is the curse that goeth forth over the face of the whole earth. And there you go. This is the curse that goeth forth over the face of the whole earth.